student, I Anshu Sharma welcome you in my channel. You know student, for a long time, students and teachers both were worried that would CBSE delete the chapters or not. But now we are lucky and we are happy that CBSE has announced that few chapters are deleted. So in this video, we will get to know about the first term syllabus and the second term syllabus. Before starting this, I would like to tell you that 184, it is the code of English language and literature and you must to be reminded. So student, first term में क्या CBSE ने change किए हैं ये हम देखते हैं. First reading section, writing section and grammar and literature. It means the whole paper will be divided into 3 parts. First reading section, in that section there you will get 2 paragraphs. First paragraph which will be about 400 to 450 words and that will discursive paragraph, and the second one is case based factual passages. It will carry 300 to 350 words and both of the paragraphs would be compulsory to do. They will carry objective type questions and each paragraph will carry 5 marks. It means the reading section will carry 10 marks. Then come on the writing skill. In writing skill, there will be 3 kinds of letter. First, letter to editor, second, letter to complaint, and the third one is letter of complaint, यानी कि official and business. You have to choose a letter that will carry 5 marks. Now come on the grammar. Grammar में होगा tenses, models, subject, verb, concord, determiners, reported speech, commands and requests, statements and questions. You know that points number, commands and requests, statement and question. This is the part of reported speech. So don't be afraid. There is a small syllabus in grammar, and grammar question, it will also be objective type which will carry 5 marks. Is it clear? Now see the literature. In literature part, there will be question based extract. Extract mean there will be a passage or in which you will get question answers. So first flight, you know that you have 2 kinds of book, first flight and supplementary literature, supplementary book. So in first flight, A Letter to God is the first chapter of your book. Nelson Mandela, second chapter, 2 story about flying from the diary of Anne Frank, and the 100 dresses 1 and the 100 dresses 2. It means there are only total chapters which will be covered till November and December. And come on the poems, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, A Tiger in the Zoo and the Ball poem. These 4 poems will be in the first term syllabus. Now the next is Footprints Without Feet. This book will carry 3 chapters, A Trump of Surgery, The Thief's Story, Footprints Without Feet. Right? So we have covered the first term syllabus and now we will see the weightage, what kind the marks will be. In reading section it will carry 10 marks. You must have keep all the weightage of the all the sections so that you can prepare it well. Reading section will carry 10 marks, writing section and grammar 10 marks, literature, yeah, focus on the literature. The literature has highest weightage in your paper, 20 marks. You must to be prepared it well, and that section will give you more and more marks. So in total, in reading, writing and literature, we will have 40 marks, and 10 marks will be given in internal assessment. You know, internal assessment, you will be assessed by your teacher, by giving you project, by your correction of notebooks. So your internal assessment is too much important. You must to be reminded, you must to be focused in your mind that in each and every part, like either in the project or either in the notebook, you must to be complete it well. So the grand total will be of 50 marks, right? So 50 marks you will cover in objective type questions in the first first term paper, which will be in the month of November and December. Now come on the second term. Second term in reading section will be the same like a first term. But yes, now there is a change in writing section or grammar. In writing section, there is little different. The letters are of different kind than the first term. Formal letters ही होंगे यहाँ, but order and inquiry, order to place or inquiry letter, they are the different kinds. Then the second of analytical paragraph. It means there will be choice. Each question will carry 5 marks, right? So 10 marks for reading, 5 marks for grammar and literature, and the 5 marks for grammar. In grammar syllabus, grammar chapter will be the same like a first term. So this is the second term chapter. And now come on the literature part. In first flight book there will be 4 chapters. You can see Glimpse of India, Madam Writes the Verse, the Sermon at Banaras, and the Proposal. And poems, there are only 3 poems. In first term, I remind you, there were 4 poems, and now there are only 3. Amanda, Animals, Tale of Custard the Dragon. Footprints Without Feet, there are only 4 chapters. The Making of a Scientist, The Necklace, The Hack Driver, and The Bully. So student, you have got to know about your first term and second term syllabus. But still you must to be remember that first term exam will be in the month of November and December. That will be objective type. So you must to be prepare your first term, and you must to be focused, and you know that literature weightage is more. So just remind and prepare you well. Okay, till then, goodbye. I will meet you in my next video. Subscribe my channel. Goodbye.